Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I just wanted to talk today about something that happened to me during my journey on developing my production SaaS that may happen to you either during your projects or during actual prod pushes. Now, I know during the middle of development, you're not always thinking about logging or print statements, you're thinking about making sure the code is functional, but naturally you need observability for what you're actually producing too. So you run into this issue where you have a sensitive user identifying emission that comes out in prod, and you think to yourself, oh my gosh, like I should have caught that before. You thought you parsed through it, you audited the code. So today, what I wanted to talk about was a tool that I developed. It's open source and it's called Privlog. So Privlog, more or less, what it does is it statically analyzes a Python-based code base, and it uses AST checks as well as semgrep rules, and it's also configurable. Naturally, you need to go through manually as well. It's not a panacea or anything like that, but I found it pretty useful for me during my production time, and I hope that you guys also find it pretty useful too. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check into my directory. Okay, now I'm gonna pip install Privlog. Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna run the command and see what we get. Okay, so we see that these sensitive identifiers are being found in our code base in this particular section. So naturally, we're gonna go through, we're gonna either salt them or we're just gonna remove them or find something that would be more appropriate to be logging. And yeah, so let's just go and run through that real quick. Okay, so we got the last diff done. Now we're gonna save. Okay, we're gonna run Privlog one more time now. Perfect, okay, and we can see that we found and detected our sensitive identifiers. Now, naturally, again, this is not a panacea. I don't recommend relying on this solely for your production deployments and workflows, but it can definitely help actually if you have anything come up that could be sensitive. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a comment, or if you want to download Privlog, you can at privlog.dev or GitHub, or pip install Privlog. Until next time, thank you. Take care.